Have you ever sat in front of a mirror, looked at all those brushes and palettes, and felt like you were trying to solve a high-level math equation? Honestly, it can be so intimidating, especially when you're navigating your identity as a crossdresser and just want to see the person you feel like on the inside reflected back at you. Well, today is a little different because today we're not doing this alone. We're talking about that beautiful, sometimes messy, but always empowering moment when the person you love picks up the brush to help you find yourself. We're diving into what it's like when a partner doesn't just accept who you are, but actively leans in to support your journey. So, grab a coffee, get comfortable, and let's talk about the magic that happens when we build these supportive bonds together. You know, there's a specific kind of vulnerability that comes with sitting in a chair and letting someone else touch your face. It's an act of trust, right? But for those of us in the MTF community, it goes so much deeper than just aesthetics. When my wife says, "Hey, let's try a new look today," or "Let me help you get that eyeliner winged just right," it's not just about the makeup. It's a profound statement of, "I see you and I'm with you." It's about creating a safe space where exploration isn't just allowed, it's celebrated. We've all had those moments of doubt, haven't we? Those late nights wondering if we're doing too much or if we're doing enough. Having a partner who steps in with a blending sponge and a smile, well, it changes the entire narrative from a solo struggle to a shared adventure. Let's be real for a second because we always keep it real here. Transitioning or exploring your feminine side can feel like a lonely road sometimes. You might feel like you have to have all the answers or master every skill overnight. But here's the thing, you don't have to be an expert on day one. And when you have a supportive spouse, the learning curve becomes a lot more fun. Think about it. Those times when the foundation is a shade too dark or the lipstick ends up slightly crooked. In a different context, that might feel like a failure. But when you're doing it together, it's a laugh, it's a memory, and it's a lesson. It's about the process, not just the finished product. We're building a bond, one layer of concealer at a time, and that bond is way more durable than any waterproof mascara on the market. Listen, I know not everyone has this exact dynamic yet, and that's okay. If you're watching this and you're still looking for that support, please know that your identity is valid regardless of who is holding the brush. But for those of us who are lucky enough to have supportive partners, we have to talk about how to nurture that. It's a two-way street, you know? It's about communication. It's about me saying, "I feel a bit nervous about this look," and her saying, "We'll figure it out together." It's about her teaching me the difference between bronzer and contour, which, let's be honest, is still a bit of a mystery to some of us, and me showing her the joy and relief I feel when I finally look in the mirror and see the me I've always known was there. That support spreads into every part of our lives, too. It's not just about the 15 minutes at the vanity. It's about how we walk through the world. When your partner supports your identity, it gives you a shield. It's like, if the world wants to be cold or judgmental, it doesn't matter as much because the warmest place in your life is right at home. We're talking about a foundation that's built on respect and genuine love. It's about breaking down those old, dusty gender roles and just being two humans who love each other and want each other to be happy. Isn't that what it's all about, really? Think about the first time you tried to do your own makeup. For many of us, it was a secret. Rushed affair in a bathroom with the door locked, using whatever we could find. It was fueled by a mix of excitement and, let's be honest, a good amount of fear. Now, compare that to sitting in the light, talking about your day, while your wife suggests a soft pink lip because she knows it makes your eyes pop. The shift in energy is massive. It turns a taboo into a tradition. It turns hiding into happening. We're rewriting the script of what a relationship looks like, and honestly, we think the new version is a whole lot better. And hey, let's give a shout out to the partners for a minute. It takes a certain kind of strength and secure love to jump into this journey. To the wives and partners out there who are watching this, thank you. You aren't just helping with makeup. You are validating a soul. You are providing a soft landing in a hard world. You are showing that love isn't about fitting someone into a box. It's about helping them break out of one. We see you, we appreciate you, and we know that this journey wouldn't be nearly as beautiful without you by our side. Sometimes, the most empowering thing we can do is just exist authentically. And when we do that within a supportive relationship, we're sending a message to the whole community. We're saying that queer love is diverse, it's resilient, and it's incredibly creative. Whether you're a crossdresser, trans, non-binary, or anywhere on this amazing spectrum, you deserve to have your beauty recognized. You deserve to have someone in your corner who wants to help you shine. If you're sitting there right now feeling a bit unsure about sharing your true self with your partner, just remember that the right person will want to hold the mirror for you, not hide it from you. As we wrap this up, I want you to take a second to think about your own support system. Who are the people who make you feel seen? Maybe it's a spouse, maybe it's a best friend, or maybe it's this community right here. We're all in this together, learning and growing and trying to get our eyeliner even. Remember, every step you take toward your authentic self is a victory. Every time you let someone in to help you, you're building a bridge. We're so proud of the progress we're all making, and we're so glad you're part of this family. We really want to hear from you now. What does support look like in your life? Does your partner help you with your look? Or do you have a friend who's your go-to glam consultant? Maybe you're still looking for that person. Tell us what kind of support would mean the most to you. Let's start a conversation in the comments and lift each other up. If this video resonated with you, please hit that subscribe button and join our community here at My Life, My Rules. We're all about sharing these real stories and making sure everyone feels like they belong. Don't forget to like this video and maybe share it with someone who needs a little reminder that they're loved just as they are. Thank you for spending this time with us, and we'll see you in the next one. Keep being your beautiful, authentic selves because you're amazing and you've got this. And before we go, just remember that your journey is uniquely yours and there is no right way to express who you are. Whether you're just starting to experiment with a little bit of mascara or you're ready for a full glam transformation, every single step is a celebration of your truth. It's those small, quiet moments of courage, like asking for help or finally buying that palette you've been eyeing, that truly define your strength. We're all works in progress, and that's the beauty of it, isn't it? We're constantly evolving, learning, and becoming more of who we were always meant to be. So, keep exploring, keep trusting your heart, and most importantly, keep leaning into the love that surrounds you. You are part of a vibrant, resilient community that has your back every step of the way. Stay bold, stay beautiful, and we'll be right here waiting for you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching till now. It means the world to have you here. This community is all about empowering each other and celebrating the incredible journeys of everyone on their path to living authentically. If you're ever feeling lost or alone, remember you have a whole family here for you. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. And let's keep inspiring each other, sending you all the love and strength in the world. Until next time, live your life by your rules.